Here's my brand new Gazza battery. Let's see if this can crank her over. Show this time. That's better. Just going slowly because it hasn't been wound over forever. Oh yeah, pump over. The fuel pump relay works, but it's not turning the pump over. So power to the pump, just no pump. Okay, so I've taken off that fuel line there and fitting, and I'm going to try and free the pump up somehow. Might reverse the polarity, see if I can get it to start to rotate. I reckon once I get it going it'll be okay. So I've connected the jump cable up to my fuel pump, so now I'm just going to run it down to the remote battery here and see if I can get the fuel pump to unstick itself. Cool. So basically there's nothing here at all, doesn't work, fuel pump is dead. There's a fuel pump ready to come out. The fuel lines are so hard, they're like concrete, so I'll have to cut them off and fresh them up. Since I've got to take the fuel pump out, I've got to cut these hoses off. They're too hard, I can't get them off. I might as well take the fuel rail off and get these injectors cleaned and make sure they're all okay before I even try and start it. Well, that came out easier than I thought. Rail out. So now the injectors and fuel rail out, I should be able to pull this pump out and go and get another one. Smells like old fuel. Looking at the manufacture date on the fuel pump, 2nd of 93, it's only 2 years newer than the bike. Obviously it's not the original pump, it's out of a VL turbo. Finally got the injectors out of the fuel rail. Now I can drop them in to be serviced and all these O-rings changed because they've gone really hard as well, and they'll make sure they flow correctly.